Let's talk chemical exfoliators. Do they offer you that glow, the radiance that we're all trying to achieve? Let's find out. Hello lovelies, welcome back to On The Glow. My name is Muna and you're here to discover your glow through skincare, beauty, and wellness, and I've got you covered. Today's episode is going to be short and sweet. I really love this topic because I really have been digging in and trying to understand the benefits of chemical toners. Chemical toners, also known as liquid exfoliants, chemical exfoliants, there are a variety of terms that are out there. It's become really popular within our skincare routine, really helping us enhance and really focus on some of those, concerns, skin concerns that we have. Ultimately, a toner basically helps refresh, restore, and rebalance your skin's pH level as well as your moisture barrier. And if you've seen in my previous segments of On The Glow, I've really kind of shared the basics to a good skincare routine. And I have, a 5-step, very simple skincare routine for you guys to follow. And that starts off with cleanser, toner, serum, moisturizer, and then you protect with SPF. So in the step 2 with toner, why we need the toner essentially is that most of the time with the cleansers that we use, when we wash our face, it tends to, our skin's pH level tends to be a little bit higher to a level 6. And a toner really helps rebalance that to a level that is more appropriate for our skin, which is a 4.5 to 5. Nowadays, toners really have evolved. So you will find a lot of toners that are available out there that are alcohol-free, which is great. So that means it doesn't strip your natural oils. And a lot of them offer beautiful benefits to help hydrate, soothe, tackle hyperpigmentation, really help with pores, really help produce collagen, so to give you that sort of radiance, youthful glow. There's so many incredible benefits. Chemical exfoliants do contain acids that you may have heard of, like AHAs, BHAs, PHAs. Obviously, each product, each formulation has their own specific benefits. So I would say it's, skincare to all of us is customizable and very personal. So definitely look into that. And I will share some great examples for you guys. A liquid exfoliant can help the skincare products that follow to penetrate more effectively. To break it down even further, I thought I would highlight 2 really popular acids that are contained in a lot of these amazing popular products, from Ren Skincare, Paula's Choice, Bioderma. There's so many that's out there that contain these 2 key ingredients. The first one would be salicylic acid, which is also known as a BHA, beta hydroxy acid. Essentially what it does, it helps exfoliate the skin. It reduces the number of pore blockages within the skin, and it helps build elastin and collagen. A really popular product that's out there in the market is the Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA liquid exfoliant, the salicylic acid, right, which is a BHA. And basically this helps unclog and shrink enlarged pores, smooths and even skin tone. I actually had the bigger bottle and I finished this before I switched to another product, but I got the sample one for free, so I wanted to show you what this looks like. This is insanely popular and it has really upped my skincare game. I've always enjoyed using this. Again, with a lot of these chemical exfoliants, depending on your skin type, for me, I'm sensitive combination. I usually start slow, and then I build up. So generally I was using this about 2 to 3 times weekly. The second most popular, acid would be glycolic acid, which is also known as AHAs or alpha hydroxy acid. And basically what this is a water-soluble acid. It's an ingredient that helps increase luminosity, the radiance of the skin. Now, one product that I would love to share under this category of glycolic acid is the Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic by Ren's Clean Skincare. Ren has done a wonderful job with this product. I mean, it's like so popular as well, like the Paula's Choice. This one has been wonderful. I have been using this for a while now, for months, and you can see I still have a lot left for me. But I use this 2 to 3 times weekly. I really found, in combination of some other products, this really helped tackle my hyperpigmentation. I had a lot of marks here, and I still do. It's kind of like fading out, but the bumps, the irritation has reduced significantly. This has played a factor in there, but I will say that a combination of other active ingredients and other active products have really helped, as well as my nutrition. I will tell you that. That's another story, but I had allergies to certain things, and when I started to cut and really look at my nutrition, my skin changed dramatically. So that's in another video. If you like that, give this video a thumbs up. But this one is wonderful because it does so many things. It helps clear your skin, brightens your skin. It helps get rid of that dead, exfoliating by getting rid of those dead cell layers on your skin. It is a wonderful toner to use. Another toner that I would recommend for you guys would be the Bioderma Sebum Lotion. And what this does is helps regulate your oil production in your skin, rebalance your pH level, as well as boost the hydration in your skin's moisture barrier. So this has been a wonderful addition that I have been using for a while now. It's affordable. Bioderma has been, sort of a long-standing brand that I have loved and used for so many years. So this is a wonderful product that I can also recommend. A tip for applying liquid toner, a lot of people use pads, which sometimes I use pads. I can use reusable pads, but a nicer way really is just dropping a few drops in your hands, and basically you pat it on your skin. So you just kind of pat it gently on your skin and just let it seep through your skin. It is wonderful because it really helps other products that come, like serums and moisturizers, really benefit and penetrate deeply within the skin. You can start to see and really see the value of the other benefits of your other skincare products. So I really love adding toners within my routine. Really, anyone who really wants to advance within their skincare routine, a lot of these chemical exfoliators offer and target specific skincare concerns. So if you're dealing with, uneven skin tone, the hyperpigmentation, the blemishes, if you get a lot of inflammation within your skin, you can look at and do your research on a lot of these products to see how and what they can do and benefit your skin. So I feel like it is for all skin types, really depending on what your concerns are. Finally, we have to be realistic with our skincare journey. Nothing is an overnight success. Like, don't expect that because I'm using these chemical toners, within 72 hours, my skin is gonna transform to clear, brighter skin. Obviously we would love that, but it does take time. I always say, because our skin regenerates every 30 days, really stick with a routine for at least a month. Consistency is key to every aspect of life. I personally know that when I start to be consistent in my work, in my nutrition, in my skincare, I start to see results. So I think it's really important to be consistent within your skincare routine. And with that said, everything in life is balance. So definitely try these out, experiment. If anything does, harm your skin, really, perhaps a certain ingredient does not work for you, take it, eliminate it from your skin, give your skin a rest, because you don't want to overdo it and really, damage your skin barrier. And with that said, thank you guys so much for tuning into another episode of On the Glow right here on my channel. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, as well as leave comments down below if you have any suggestions for me. I look forward to seeing you next week. So guys, stay happy, stay blessed, and remember, keep glowing.